Oh, so we got a signal right there, so we're gonna close this once we're in profit, so that for about 5 green candles right there. So we'll place a trade, and we're trading the volatility 31x high low. Today is 17th of November 2025. This is Matthew again, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So once you log into your trading account, you go to the trader and you go to volatility 31x. Then we're using the MACD indicator right there. So now the momentum, you click on it. Then I just want this to hit more profit before I sell. So going okay, that's 10 bucks right there. So you click on that, then you go to the high low. You click on high low right there, and once you do that, you go to this place. You set it to minutes, set it to 7 minutes. Leave the barrier offset as it is. Don't change it, just leave the barrier offset as it is. And we're going to be clicking on low, and once there's 4 green on top of the line, 4 green. See, that's 4 greens, you can see, and the green was a tick. You can see right there, it must be very thick green. That's 7, that's 8 bucks right there. You can see right there, we've made about 19 bucks right there just in a few seconds. So you can see the greens right there. It must be thick green. It must be as tall as this right there. 4 greens, 4 thick greens, and they must be above the line. You can see these ones, they are above. Sometimes the green will be below the line, and make sure the green is right above the line. You can see those greens. This is a little bit not too tall, it's just slim. It has to be a little bit high before you place your trade. So we're going to place another trade. Let's just watch. You can see this buy sell indicator right here at work. We place some trades right here in green already. I just want to make sure they hit more profits before I close them. We're still giving away this indicator for free. Check the video description on YouTube to get the indicator for free for those who don't have a trading account. So, and there are some infos right here. It's very important for those who don't have a trading account. There's a link right here to sign up for a free trading account to test our strategies on demo before you go live. Here is the link to subscribe to the channel. This is the first one, and this is the second one. This is the third one. Subscribe to all the channels. And for the indicator, this indicator works on Deriv MT5 and also other Forex pairs that support MT5. You can use it to trade your Forex volatility index, crash and boom, and all that. So we're giving it away for free. To get it for free, once you've signed up for a trading account using the link above, send an email to this email address with the last 3 digits of your account. Once you confirm your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. For those who already have an account, you can order the indicator here for $12. And the pip stripper board is the pip stripper board, and the toss scalper board is still active and effective, and it works on Deriv. One is 9.99 USD and the other one is 7.99 USD. We're also giving away some free stops as well when you order any of our bots. So make sure you subscribe to our channels. Subscribe to our channel. So here are the links again. Here's the link to order the toss scalper bots. Here's the link to sign up for a free trading account to test the strategies on demo, and the link to order the pip stripper bot is right here. We're going to paste all these infos in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account. And here are the links to subscribe to the channel. This is the third channel, and this is the second channel right here. So we paste all the info right here in the video description on YouTube. So let's get back to the trading. Let's place one more trade. Remember, it has to be, the green is right below the line. It has to be right on top, and it has to be thick. It has to be 4. You can see it's getting thick. It's getting thick. So that's a good spot to place that trade right there. Thickness is So we took 4 bucks there because I have to drop another strategy. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Share our videos, comment, like. Thanks for watching. Bye.